Planning out the perfect Disney park outfit can feel like rocket science at first, until you find out that some of the best clothing items and essentials can be found at stores that you already know and love. To help you find comfortable and practical items you won't regret wearing for the entire day, I wanted to personally take you through 4 stores that carry some of my favorite pieces and options that I see guests have success with every trip. And the last store just so happens to be the option that I find my favorite Disney park bags in, so let's get shopping together. We just stopped in Free People Movement, and there's a couple of comfortable clothing items I wanted to point out here that are perfect for summer days. These are shorts that I have worn for Run Disney races or just random park days. I love how flowy the sides are, and then also they do have bigger pockets. I don't usually put anything in here for a long period of time in case it falls out, but they have the built-in underwear underneath that are very nice and secure. But I love the ruched top and how cinched it is. They fit really nice. You can wear tank tops with them. You can tuck your shirt in. I think they're a really cute look. They have black, pink, and I love the blue color they have too. We were just doing some shopping and I haven't tried this out yet, but this was a cute alternative athletic dress style that we wanted to point out to you. It has more of like spaghetti straps, but it doesn't have the built-in bra. It would be nice to put like a fun patterned sports bra underneath, and then also has an adjustable strap. Here it is on the rack, but it has an adjustable strap. Also a fun little pocket in the back that you could store your park ticket or your wallet. Here is a neon yellow color, super cute. I really like the logo, and then the pocket on the back is cute. It does have pockets on the side as well. And then it also has like, not built-in shorts, but it's more of a romper style, actually, now that we're seeing. So it's not actually a dress, it's more of a romper style. But they have like a neon yellow and then this really cute bubblegum pink that I think is really fun. And I love the pockets on the side. Here's also a darker like charcoal black. I think would be really cool to wear to the parks. It's also not a super heavy material. Feels a little bit breathable. Ooh, a long sleeve shirt underneath it would be a cute look as well. Really like that. I haven't tried these shorts either, but look how cute these are. They're more of a tan color. They also have long pants, but they have more of like a lace see-through floral design on the side. And here's also what it looks like on the shorts. And then underneath, they're more of a spandex material for the shorts underneath. And then it also looks like they do have little mini pockets, perfect for your phone. But these are really cute. I haven't seen these before. These are a pair of shorts that my sister personally really likes. They have more of a tight top that are high-waisted. This is a cute bubblegum pink color. It has the logo on the side, but super lightweight and breathable. These are perfect for Run Disney races or comfortable days at the parks. And they also have really lightweight material underneath and the built-in underwear as well, which is a unique feature. This is more of a butter yellow color in the shorts that have the high-waisted top. They're very expandable, very comfortable for long park days. And again, I just love how breathable and lightweight the bottom material is. Another thing you're going to want to think about is if it rains when you go, and these do dry very easily and are very nice and lightweight for purposes like that in the summertime. I haven't seen these tops before, but they are tank tops that look really nice and lightweight. You could wear a sports bra or a regular bra underneath. It's a bubble top. I've never seen one of these. You could wear this with a skirt, some of the shorts that we've shown. Here are some biker shorts that you could wear with them. So they have a tighter bottom, but then the nice bubble top on the top. I think it's so cute. You could wear it with a hat, nice pair of Minnie Mouse ears. This is super cute, and I love the lightweight feel of the material. We hopped into Nordstrom real quick, and I wanted to highlight a couple of shoe options if you're looking for new Disney park shoes. A pair that I see a lot of guests wear, and my sisters really enjoy, the Hoka brand. These are the Clifton model, and the thing I like about these are the thick, comfortable, cushy base that they have to the bottom of the shoes. They also have a ton of different colors that you can match with your park outfits. I usually like going for a more neutral color, but I've seen a ton of people wear the Clifton model, and it looks like they're always coming out with new colors and styles. Another brand that my sisters have personally really liked and that I see a lot in the parks are On Cloud shoes. They really like the Cloud Monsters. This is what they've worn for Run Disney races and also long days at the park. They come in a couple of different colors, and they also really like the cushion base and the lightweight material on the top. Another pair that I think is really interesting is a pair my aunt got to wear during her Italy trip. Little side story, they do have waterproof versions of the On Cloud shoes, and she loved these for walking around Italy because a lot of the streets were very wet. So she got the waterproof pair. This is like a mauve color, but then they also have a black and a white, and it's a nice waterproof material on the top that you could wear during the summertime whenever it's the peak rainy seasons. We were just shopping around and wanted to show you a brand that we actually have never tried for ourselves. It's inside of Nordstrom. This is Zella, but it looks like they have a lot of nice athleisure outfits that you could wear to the park. I personally really like the look of this athletic dress t-shirt option. I think it's really cute that it cinches in the middle. It's all one piece. There are no pants or bottoms underneath the skirt, but this ruched top also looks really cute that you could wear with a skirt or a pair of shorts to have a cute outfit. Also, look at this skirt. Is it like a skirt? Oh, it's a bubble skirt. That's so cute. Does it have pants underneath? So it has shorts underneath. I love the look of that. I haven't tried a bubble skirt yet. They have a black color and then also a emeraldish green color that would be really cute if you wanted to do like an aerial look. I think that would be really cute with a red top or a purple top. They have some of these dress options that kind of zip in the front but are longer on the base. I think this is really cute for maybe a more dressed up outfit if you're doing a dinner inside of the park. We came back to the Free People section and they have a chocolatey brown color. Rompers are also another outfit article that I like wearing to the parks, and this is a cute Free People one that's black. It has a navy logo in the center, but this could just be an easy outfit piece that you wear, add some Minnie Mouse ears and comfortable park shoes. Here's actually a look at that romper on a model, and then these are also the shorts that I showed you in Free People movement. I love the flowy pockets on the side, and they also have a ton of tank top options that you can wear, pair a sports bra underneath to have a comfy look in the parks. This was a top I almost wore for the Run Disney Princess race. This is the black option, but it's a very lightweight long sleeve material that has a ruching in the front that would be really cute with a tank top underneath of it and the flowy shorts on the side. So if you're doing a Run Disney race, this is perfect for the Run Disney weekends, but also I think would be cute for a park outfit whenever you're going in the cooler months. This is a little bit of a side quest, but we came across this really cute pink dress. I love this. If you're staying at the Polynesian, this would be a perfect dress for an evening there if you're going to Ohana or just hanging out. I think that's really cute. Look at these heart leggings. Those are adorable. So, oh, they have leggings and a matching top. Very cute. And are these swimsuits? Oh my gosh, Mindy, look at this swimsuit.
Wait,
it's so cute.
Fun.
Lots of fun swimsuits. Also, Disney World does have water parks. So if you are going to the water parks, maybe consider grabbing a cute suit. Look at the cherries one.
This is a little bit different.
So cute. Beach Riot is the brand.
And
oh, we love a good pocket moment. Pockets. If you are a cherry lover, absolutely love that. Oh, look at the little strawberries on the bikini top. Those are so cute. We have a Dick's House of Sport here at our mall, and there are so many things we get from Dick's Sporting Goods for Disney, so we're gonna show you all of them. We just walked in the store. It looks like Dick's Sporting Goods has a collaboration with Natio. You'll have to let me know if I'm saying that name right, but it has beautiful floral patterns for the shorts and for the tops. They also have a really cute little bum style bag that you could wear to the parks, but I love the shorts. I think those are what I really like from the collection. They have girls shirts and also these beautiful purple leggings that I think are really cute. One of my top favorite brands to wear to Disney has to be Kalia, and they have a bunch of cute options that you could add to a park outfit for this year. Look at this bubble top. I'm seeing these everywhere now. So this one kind of has a thicker shoulder, but also it is cream and it's got the bubble bottom. What I personally have experience with Kalia are their athletic skirts, their shorts, and these tank tops that they have. I have worn these a couple of different visits. So I have this white one with the black stripes on the bottom. I love these because they have the built-in bra. They're more of a racerback style. So definitely want to consider wearing sunscreen whenever wearing these, but it's a lightweight, very comfortable, very movable whenever you're in the parks. I love the base strap that it has, but you can also tuck these into a pair of shorts, or they sit nicely if you're wearing a high-waisted skirt or whatever type of bottoms that you have. And they also come in way more colors than what I originally had. I think last year I got one of these, so definitely recommend for the parks. Being fully transparent, I do not recommend wearing jeans to the park because they can be very heavy, but these are almost like athletic type jeans that Kalia has. So there's a long pair, but there's also these athletic short pants. Super cute, and I love the pockets that they have. They also have like this cinched top. They look like they are a little bit above fingertip length, but the material is super smooth and lightweight. I'll have to try those on sometime. And like I said, the other thing we really like are their skirts. Mandy just came across some of their new golf skirts. Look how cute this one is. It would be perfect for an Animal Kingdom look. It's got these greens and cream colors that are striped. They also have the shorts underneath with a pocket if you want the pocket. Here is a white option, and then I think when I was coming over here I saw a couple of other skirt options. So this one's more of bright peach color. They have some floral ones, and then I personally really like this bubblegum pink one. It's called their Eagle Skort. So it's a 15-inch length, and it also has a zippered pocket. I love zippered pockets. This is another side quest note. If you're going to Universal Orlando and you are going to be riding rides that require the ride lockers, these are really helpful to store your park ticket in.
I am a big fanny pack crossbody girl. This is my next theme park bag. It's so cute.
It does look really cute.
And it is so roomy with pockets inside.
And an adjustable strap. Oh, it looks like it comes off too. Can you switch sides?
No. Oh wait, yeah.
Wait, that's really cool. You can switch which side. Love that.
I think this would be a really nice park bag.
I like that. And it does come in a couple colors too. You got cream. I like the navy one. Navy and emeraldish green. Ooh, what's this one?
It's just a makeup bag.
Nice little tote.
Kind of want it though.
That's really cute. Oh, it's like a rubbery material, like a wet bag. Everyday mini hold all. That's an interesting bag. We are now in shoes. I wanted to show you a couple of different Disney park shoes here at Dick's Sporting Goods, but this is something that I'm gonna ask you guys. I am personally more of a sandal wearer whenever in the parks. If you've seen videos before, you know I love the Croc wedges, but I've seen these UGG sandals a lot. They have straps on the top and the back. I'm really curious about these because it looks like they're nice and waterproof material, but I'm not sure how the straps would feel for all day park wear. Let me know if you've worn these before because I'm curious about them. I just came back over to On Cloud 2 and wanted to show you the waterproof ones again in more light than what was in Nordstrom. I just am really interested in these. My aunt loved them for the waterproof feel, especially in the rainy season at Disney, but they also have a bunch of other just normal styles to choose from. I'm just seeing these now too. For Hoka, it looks like they have sandals now too. I know people really like the Tevas or the Tevas, and also the other strappy sandals. I'll have to put in what the brand is. I can't remember right now, but these Hoka ones look really cute. And the thing about the straps, it looks like they're more padded and kind of a breathable material, so they may not cause blisters for the day. I might have to consider some Hoka sandals. I never thought about that. This is special for my Pittsburgh viewers in honor of the Pittsburgh Marathon. Brooks came out with a special Pittsburgh Marathon shoe, and I think the bridges in the city buildings are really cool about them. These cheetah ones are so cute. Talk about a lot of Animal Kingdom talk today. We've been planning out a lot of Animal Kingdom outfits. These are the perfect Animal Kingdom shoes. The last thing in terms of footwear that I wanted to show you are these feature brand socks that we've been wearing during the Run Disney races, but would be comfortable for your park days to protect your feet. They come in a couple of different cushion types.
I like the medium light if it's gonna rain.
Mandy told me she likes the ultra light if it is planning on raining for the day because they are a lighter weight and they can dry a lot easier. I typically wear the max cushion ones, but these are also for Run Disney is what I like wearing them for. But also just make note that they have nice cushion on the heels and also the toes. I love the colors that they come in. There's a bunch of different packs that you can choose from, and just think about the different cushions the options that they have. Also inside of Dick's Sporting Goods, a huge thing we've liked recently are Gooder sunglasses. These are really fun because they come in a couple of different styles, lots of really fun colors that you can choose from. I'm going to show some of their samples that they have over here. The one pair that we really like wearing are the Glam G style. They're kind of this cat eye style that have a bunch of different colors, but the feature we really like about the Gooder sunglasses are the anti-slip features on the nose and also back around the ear. So when you're sweating during your park day, your sunglasses won't slip off. These are the pair that I recently got for my birthday. They are Bridgerton inspired. They have nice pink designs in florals. Absolutely loved these for my park day, but they have guys and girls styles, lots that you can pair with your park outfits. And I actually really like the Mach G style. Those are really cute. So definitely consider bringing sunglasses anyway, but Gooder has been a really fun brand to try out. Our mall has a Vera Bradley store and it looks like they just came out with a new Mickey and Minnie pedal collection. Super cute. So one of my favorite Disney park bags is the Featherweight Mini Bancroft backpack. It's kind of this material, not this style, but it is a beetroot pink color. I absolutely love it. But they came out with a new Mickey and Minnie collections. They have little keychains and key rings. This looks like the backpack that I usually use inside of the parks. It's a nice small mini backpack, perfectly fits all of your Disney essentials. And this is what the pattern looks like. Bunch of little Mickey and Minnies. It has the front pocket, the main pocket, side pockets, and then the comfortable straps on the back as well. I really like this. It's like a yellow and orange color, but it also is super lightweight. That's why I love those backpacks a lot. I know a lot of people really like the front crossbody sling bags. They also have kind of a side tote bag. Look how cute this Mickey and Minnie pouch is that you could put as a keychain on your Disney park bag. And they also have Minnie Mouse ears. I love Vera Bradley Minnie Mouse ears. Super cute, and the bow is the material as well as the headband. This Mickey and Minnie collection is more colorful. It's like darker colors. I like this sling bag. It's kind of like a Baggu style bag. And then they also have a bigger backpack along with a tote and a little crossbody. As I'm sure you can see, there are so many stores that you can shop for practical and comfortable Disney park outfits and essentials. But if you're wanting to see some completed outfits that I've personally worn and loved to the Disney parks, I'm going to direct you to this video right here that shows you all the options and why they're some of my favorites to wear in the parks. Feel free to share in the comments any stores you'd like to see us shop next, and I'll also link all helpful links in the description bar below. Happy shopping and thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.